Instant adjust price and item discount. Press Adjust Price button. Enter Adjust Price. Press OK. Price is instantly changed. Press Discount Item button. Enter discounted price. Press OK. Item discount is applied. Press Discount Item button. Press Reset button. Discount is removed. Press Discount Item button. Press Item Total tab. Enter discounted total amount. Press OK. Item discount is applied. Press Discount Item button. Press Automatic tab. Press Desired Discount button. Press OK. Item discount is applied. Instant discount buttons can be changed. Press Discount button. Press Instant Discount tab. Press Desired Discount button. Check inactive. Press OK. Discount button is inactivated. Press $discount button. Enter desired amount. Press OK. Discount amount is changed. Discount button is removed and amount is changed.